What's up, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. This is part 2 of rebuilding abandoned land, and I'm right here. We're about to start cleaning up this fire pit and another project back there. And this part will be more of a log type, but more of a work. So yeah, we still have a whole entire another day here. So let me get this. And yeah, like and subscribe, guys, if you have not yet. Click that notification bell. And hope you guys' day is going good. So yeah, peace. Alright, guys, so we finally finished this pile. It's all good now. Now this, I don't know if I'm supposed to take care of this, but I'm about to show you what we're gonna work on next after I'm done with this. So yeah. So our next project is trying to cut this tree down that fell from Dorian. If you weren't watching the last video, go check it out. I was explaining. It is high tide right now. Yeah, it's really high tide. This ground's mushy right here too. All that foam. But yeah, what we're gonna have to do is trim back these because the pier's damaged a little bit. You see where it's pulled up a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna do a video off this. We're gonna be fixing this pier soon. Probably coming up this spring. So look out for that video. Right here, we're gonna probably trim back these so this doesn't clip the pier and doesn't destroy it. Because the pier's already destroyed a little bit because it's pulled up. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut all that. Yeah, the last time we were here last weekend, but I didn't start filming on this land until today, pretty much. We cut all this down. This used to be trees right here. This whole entire pathway used to be trees, and now we got a pathway coming down here. Sorry, the wind's a little rough on the water. Alright, guys, so this could be the end of this project. It's pretty much done now. The only thing I just gotta work on that back, but I won't do that on camera because this is very messy right now. It'll take a lot of time. But our next project is probably going towards that tree right there, and hopefully we get, maybe there's no problems with chainsaw, because I know we've had some problems with chainsaw because we tried to tackle that last time and the chainsaw was just acting up. So hopefully the chainsaw works. And my dad's supposed to teach me how to run the tractor down here, so maybe I might add that couple clips into the video. But otherwise, this project's done. So we're probably moving to that project next.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure. Tell me like a Hellcat.
I told you, and you didn't want to listen. What did I tell you?
Ready?
Oh, we did something. Hey. At this point, we should might just probably pull it out. I know you're trying to. One more hit, I think. It's gonna be bumpy. No, it's where you put it. So he's just hanging around by a centimeter now. At this point. Oh. I'm sure we can find something. Alright guys, so we finally got it out. This is the only way we could have done it. We could only pull it out because we couldn't get it back in the water. So alright guys, so we're finally done with this. It took quite a bit of while just to get this tree out to like right here now. But we're planning on taking the machine to that or something, pull it out. But it looks better now, and the reason why there's still some sticks in here, we're trying to figure out a way how to get to this pier without trying to step in the water. And our plan is to like extend the back the pier out. About another, I don't know. Or buy bricks, which we have plenty of bricks here. Put bricks and just build like halfway. Until, but we got this all taken care of, guys, so we might have one more project, I don't know. So guys, that's the end of day one. We got a lot done. We got the fishing pier done. A lot more, so sunset's right there, guys. Sunset's pretty, man. That's why I love this land. And just take you guys on adventures of this land. Like, now there will be a point where I won't be posting 3 weeks to this land because we don't permanently live up here. It's in North Carolina and we live in Virginia, so we might come up here like every 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. So I hope so you guys enjoyed this video. It might not end. I might have some videos after it, but I might put this after the video. I don't know. But I just wanted to catch the sunset for the end of the video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.